Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your credit score. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the site Credit Karma. First, sign up or log in to your account and answer all the questions that they require you to answer. Now once you've opened your account, you will see your credit score here at the top of the screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!